So on this RV short, I'm just going to go over real quick. At the end of the season, you need to do a good scrub of your camper. You may have done this throughout the year, but in my case, I do it in the spring, and then I do it again before I put it up. And we still have probably at least one more camping trip, maybe two, but I'm still going to do this while the weather. I'm out here bare feet right now, and this is probably the last good week. We're in the last week of September, and it's going to be cold after this point. So we're going to get this scrubbed down now, and then we'll worry about winterization and everything at the end of October. So anyway, just showing you what I'm doing. This stays out all year long in my case. So you see these streaks that get on here, you get bugs and stuff, and you notice the decals get quite a bit of mildew and kind of a really dingy look to them. So those have to be scrubbed up. And this whole side, because it gets the sun all the time, has lost a lot of its sheen. So I'm probably gonna have to wax this side as well. So we're gonna work on this, and this whole side, you see the decal on this one here is really got a fading, got a really bad stuff there, and that'll scrub, most of that'll scrub off. I'm just using some dish soap and water, and you'll see the decal back here is also pretty rough. So you'll notice here that I go ahead and I make sure I get all the brake dust off the wheels. It's very important because get that dust off there to keep from corrosion setting in on those wheels. Here you'll see I'm getting the grease and stuff that's come from the having the flat top grill on the side. I've got a lot of grease speckles. I had to scrub pretty good to get this stuff off. So the last thing before you finish up your scrubbing for the end of the year is whenever time you put soap or anything on this camper, you always want to make sure you go back and re-lube some of the areas that are exposed. I'll do this again before I put it up for the year, but we're going to go down here, and I've got some WD-40, or you can use some 3-in-1 spray oil. You want to hit in this area here that got soap or something on it. Hit those up real quick. Just keep them from rusting up on you. And that's about all I have on this RV short. This is just to show you a quick way of getting your camper kind of cleaned up for the whole year. In my case, I know I'm only going to take it out maybe one more time, maybe twice. But it's all scrubbed up, and it gets stored right here in my front yard for the winter, and I don't put a cover or anything on it. And before I put it back out in the spring, I'll give it another scrubbing from all the winter debris and stuff on it. So that's all I have. And if y'all have any suggestions on what kind of wax I should use on this, please leave those in the comments, because I want to do a wax job probably in the end of this year, maybe in the spring. We'll see. So we'll see you again on another one of these RV shorts.